Arrive in style with this GMC 2019 Yukon XL SLT. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include navigation system, enhanced driver alert package, memory package, preferred equipment group 4S1, premium smooth ride suspension package, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Bose premium 9-speaker system and CD player. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.